basketball game. It's his first basketball game. So, you know, we gotta come support. We gotta support. That's Baby G. I don't know what he's talking about. He's talking about ice cream, I think. But yeah, so about to get in this Houston, Texas traffic. It's not a blizzard.
Man, it's cold.
It's not even cold. He acting like he's not from Michigan. That's how I understand. Like, cold is like cold, but
man, if I knew it was cold like this, I would have stayed in Michigan.
yeah, right.
This is ridiculous. I'm supposed to be in t-shirts and tank tops.
He's so dramatic. Yeah, he's so dramatic.
Booty shorts and thong sandals.
Shut up.
But no, this ain't bad at all. This is the worst it's gonna get, man. We ain't been through way worse.
Right.
There ain't no snow, ain't
Shoot,
no
it's
ice.
snowing in Michigan right now.
Man.
I keep looking at Facebook, seeing everybody complaining about snow, like it don't come every year.
We still got lightweight hoodies on.
Yeah, I still got hoodies on. You just need a little fleece in your hoodie, you
Summer
know.
don't have a snowsuit, but had like a snowsuit on with the fleece and the...
Bud said it's too hot for him. I be bundling him up. I put his little 2-3 shirts on with a little vest. He be like, oh no, ma, it's hot. It's hot. He coming out all his clothes. It's hot. I'm like, dude, this is weather. This is type of weather.
Look at him. It's so cold. He doesn't want to be.
It's so cold.
It's so cold.
It's so cold. It's so hot.
Everyone agree.
It's so hot. Hey, it's so cold. It's so cold. It's so hot. Hey.
Cut it out.
All right.
Cut it out.
Yeah, but I'm excited because I ain't been to a basketball game in so long.
Man, that's what they talk about down here is darn football.
Yeah, it's a football state. For
Man,
real.
they don't care about
the other
football
sports.
like that.
Football and soccer is their main sports here. But you know, I love football. I'm a football girl. I'm a football type of girl. You love
Football
basketball.
took my childhood away from me. I'll never forgive it.
I love it. But yeah, they really don't shoot.
Oh, look at her. She driving that Big Daddy. She said, little girls, big trucks.
I know. This is gonna be me. Let me show y'all. You see that big old thing? That's gonna be me when I get my. Well, okay. So these are the kind of cars I want. Well, I want SUV trucks. So I want the BMW iDrive. I love the Porsche. I think they're the Porsche Panamera.
Oh,
Porsche.
that's the car.
Porsche. Dang, I forget what they call it. Either that.
The Canon.
Yeah, is it called Cayenne? Something. But or I want what is it called? Shoot, what is it? It's on the tip of my tongue. I love, you know, General Motors, GMC, no, Silverados. I love Silverados, Denali's, and I love the Colorados. Cause I feel like the Colorados are like a girl truck. Like that's for us, you know. Like you know how girls be like, oh, I want a truck.
You ain't say your favorite car?
Or yeah, I want a
Dang, you can't even think
a Jeep. You know, Jeep Wrangler.
What?
But I don't. Oh, but you know what? I have been falling in love with the Grand Cherokees all over again. Cause it'd be like some nice ones down here to the point where they be all blacked out with the red caps on them, the red with their brake pads and stuff. So they'd be so nice, and I'd be like, dude.
It's called calipers though.
Calipers, red calipers. Ain't that that's not the brake pads?
The brake pads are what slows the car down, but the brake calipers are the mechanism that allows the brake pads to clamp on the rotor.
Well, everything, you know, on the wheels, you see the little red color. That's what I'm talking about. So, I love those. I kind of don't want a Grand Cherokee. I mean, not a Grand Cherokee, but the Jeep Wrangler, because I have 2 babies now. Like, I mean, the summertime can be something fun, you know, but not down here because you need your air on ASAP every time you step out down here. That's not a Houston, Texas type of car, is it, babe?
I mean, the top down.
I mean, you can't do it. Nah,
but that sun just be beaming.
It's hot out here. Like, so you step out. You know how black people check the weather, and you know when they step outside, they stick their hand out the door and stuff. You can really check the weather like that down here, dude. You step outside, you going right back in the house because it's hot. It's hot. Like, no false claims.
Let me
no
get
false...
at it 3, 4, 5 more hours.
No,
I ain't gotta do nothing really important. Let me just wait till midday or something like that.
Black people in Michigan used to be like, step outside in the shade. Like, okay, it's cold out here. Nah, you can't do that in Texas. Cause it be hot. The ground be hot. Like, the ground be so hot. But yeah. So we're on our way. So we'll talk to you all when we get there. Y'all see. Oh, I did my makeup different, y'all. I put my my contour higher up, like right here. I usually go like right here, down here, but kind of put it higher up because my cheekbones are high. So I kind of just put it in the same sense. Anyway, y'all see when I get to the game. Okay, let's see if I can focus. I'll put it. Okay, there you go. Anyway, we made it to Target J. Babe, you want to get in here? This is a nice Target. Oh, they can't even see you.
You want to get it too?
Gotta stay back.
You always gotta stay back. She looking at you, but
Where?
this is nice, y'all. I ain't never seen a kids department like this before. I see. Look at this. This is where you go Christmas shopping at. Shoot, it's like a lot.
I'd like to be something.
No, I can't. This is amazing.
This is amazing, but I'm looking for Bumblebee girl, Mommy.
If I can find her a little. Do a one.
Let's put an apple like this.
Sure you want to do.
Hey, my sister wants LLs. There's some gift stuff. There's some gift stuff for babies. There's some gift stuff. Mommy, they have some gift stuff for you. They do? We have LL for you. Now you can play with your own. Now you can play with yourself. Oh my God, baby. Let's go to the
I like this one.
You just like it because it's turquoise.
That's why I like it, because it's turquoise. It's $179. But they said that these, like, I like that. I do like that Greco one though. They let me buy it.
Oh, it's upside down.
There you go.
Oh.
Will you hold it? Yeah.
Why is it so dark?
Cause it's not dark.
Oh.
Oh.
When you look at you, it's dark. When you look at me, it's dark.
There you go. You just gotta change the thing.
Oh. Hey, I don't do this often. Little babies.
Oh, here go the babies. Baby, look how you got the good one.
How do it do
Oh, you
that?
hold it up. You gotta hold it right there. That's how you hold
Learning for the Miss Vlogger. I look like an old man.
Here. Where your hat? I got the puddles here.
Cause I was too busy getting all them together.
Oh, hold on, let me.
Well, when you're looking for summer jacket, we get back with you. Probably when we at the game. Alright, love y'all. Let go of L2. L2
Make a move and shoot. Quick driving. Take you sit down again.
All right.
Hey. Come over here. Yeah, right here. Don't go off.
What you gotta say? Good morning, guys.
What's up, family?
Say hi, bud. They can't hear you. We're on our way to take, well, it's December 3rd, third day of vlogging. We're gonna have to put 1, 2, and 3 together because, you know, only right thing to do. Oh, it's so dark though. I don't know. I wonder why. Hold on, let me see. You see that? Hold on, let me fix my camera. Discount tire.
You know you put it under your number. I'm over here putting in my number. Kept putting it up.
How much did it come up to?
For taxes, no, it was like 3.
Dang, I thought it was already $298 for taxes.
Yeah. And then that included the warranty on the
Oh,
tire.
you got the warranty?
He gave it to me on all the tires.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So if something like that happens again, we just go up here and get the tire.
That's how we spending our VLOGMAS and the freaking discount tire. Here, bud, say hi.
Hi.
daddy knocked him out.
She knocked me out. She knocked you out.
Summer just chilling.
Yeah, she knocked.
I'm gonna get the car washed now. What's up, guys?
Let me see what.
It's a good morning, Monday, you know, 60-something degrees. We used to be in negative 29. Enjoying this, you know, this Texas life. Saturday, you gotta spend your hard on a tire when you just bought a car, but hey, that's how it go. Still very blessed, living, you know, with my family. It's always a good time when you got your family with you. Oh, your stinky feet out. Ain't they so cute? Oh, these is K-Spade edition?
Rest in peace,
Kicks on deck.
Oh
yeah. Yeah, well, we gonna be chilling here for a while because our appointment was at 1, but the doctors, we had to reschedule because we late as always, so we had to reschedule. And technical difficulties. Well, yeah, we here now. Supposed to be at 1, but ended up the doctor's office moved us to 1, so we came here early. So we gonna be chilling here for a while. Just chit-chatting up, watching something or sleep. And having Bubba talk our head off. But we gonna get back with y'all when we get back on the road, get moving, get something to eat or something. Love y'all.
Y'all, Quinzel broke my camera.
Yep, cracked it.
He cracked it.
Cracked it.
But it still works. So, oh shit, I don't know. Oh God.
It was already broke. But I didn't
wasn't
need to
broke.
break
It was just, you know, loose. That's it. But he cracked it. Now we are at Home Depot. We tried to go to the gym, but the gym is closed. Well, the gym not closed, but the kids club is, so you know how that goes.
Let's go to every kid's ones.
Oh, I did put these in here.
Maybe we better go to.
See, this is what you do. When you have kids, you always leave snacks in your car. It's like, I'm starving.
Yeah, you know what we didn't do?
What, babe?
We didn't pay for the conference.
I work, remember?
You closed?
What time it start?
It started at 7.
I'll talk to you when I get inside here.